Example 1. My old car is totally beat up, but I still love driving it. Hey guys, today let's master the phrasal verb beat up. You probably know the literal meaning: to hurt someone physically in a fight. But native speakers use this in two other super common ways that you need to know. First, we use it for objects. If your sneakers or your phone case are old, scratched, and damaged, we say they are beat up. Second, and most importantly, for your mental health. To beat yourself up means to criticize yourself too hard. It means you are blaming yourself for a mistake over and over again. Now, I don't want you to just listen, I want you to participate. Commenting below is the best way for you to show engagement with the community. But more importantly, it helps you put your knowledge into practice immediately. So pay attention to these examples because I want to see your own sentence in the comments. Here are 3 practical examples. Example 1. My old car is totally beat up, but I still love driving it. Example 2. That final boss in the video game really beat me up. I died 10 times. Example 3. Everyone makes mistakes, so please don't beat yourself up about it. Now, it is your turn. Go to the comments and post an example you have created. Do you ever beat yourself up over small mistakes? If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.